So here's what you do if your notes on iPhone disappeared, right? So that is the approach that you need to take. At first, it's important to know what's really going on because the Notes app might have disappeared just from the home screen. If that is the case, then swipe over to the app library, and then find it in there and just drag it back to the original home screen, and you can then return it that way. If it happens to you that you have deleted it entirely from your phone, then you'll need to open up the App Store and type in a Notes and look up the Apple application right there for Notes, and then just download it back to your iPhone. That is how you can make it appear again if you accidentally deleted it. When it comes to specific and particular notes that you perhaps have in mind and you cannot find them in here, it's important to know that there is a way of organizing them, right? So if you come back to the folders, you can see that I have some math notes, and then I have two sections called iCloud and on my phone, right? So obviously on my phone is the place where locally stored notes reside, but then the iCloud is the place where, obviously they're on the cloud. So you need to switch in between them. So right in one folder, you can find some notes, in the other, you can find others. But it's also possible that you have deleted or disabled iCloud synchronization in the settings, and this could make your notes disappear, which is not ideal, of course. So you can return to the settings, tap on your name, and in iCloud, you can turn on notes syncing. So if you have someone on your cloud, you can make them reappear on your phone. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, that would be about it. Let me know below in the comments if this has fixed your issue. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up on the video if you liked it, and I'll see you in the future one.